Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are coming to you from Messina, New York, at the beginning of a little snowstorm we have coming. Winter weather advisory saying 3 to 7 inches, not too bad, but still a little cold. Temperature's at 26 degrees. Got Rex's coat on. He's got short hair, so he gets cold easy. I put his coat on. We put his coat on, huh, honey? Huh, bubbies? Yeah, so we're out here. It's just starting to snow now. Just starting to snow now. Rex, come out and play. Huh, honey? Oh, careful, babies. Huh? Huh, poopy? You come out and play, huh? Huh? Look at him. Honey, are you holding that? Huh? I like how he comes out here. He comes over there, and we zoom in. We come up, walk up, and that van is right there. We come to the sidewalk on the other side of that. Whoop. And we sit. He sits right there, right where that telephone pole is. And he looks over the field to see if there's anything out here. Then he comes running. Oh shit, where's my other glove? I'm freaking losing it. What the hell? Oh, it's way over here. Okay. Alright. So. Again, I apologize. I'm a beginner at making YouTube videos. We just starting, huh, baby? We just starting to make videos, huh? We're gonna get a few views. I haven't looked in a couple of days, but a couple of his shorts had about 2,000 views. We're trying to make Rex famous, huh? We're gonna make him famous. Rex is a purebred lemon Dalmatian, AKC registered. And he's smart as a whip, huh, Poop? That's Papa Baby right there. That's my baby. Yeah, we're just trying to have a channel and trying to make Rex famous. Huh, baby? My apartment's just up through them woods up through there. You probably, if it was nighttime you'd be able to see it, but it's just past those woods up there. We live in a 1-bedroom. It's not very big. Rex has a lot of energy, so we're trying to find a different place. Trying to come up with the money with that. And since I got laid off from my job, I used to work right at that building in the back, newspaper press operator. They just up and folded. They told us they were closing. 2 weeks later, the whole company shut down. So I'm out of work. I don't know how the hell you make money on YouTube, but I see people doing it, so we're going to try it. We're going to try it. Ah, pup. Ah, babies. Rex he does some funny stuff. I just got to catch him doing it. I know if I caught him doing some of his funny stuff, his video would go viral. Oh, baby. On there. I know it would, huh, baby? You get 1 million views easily. Huh, pup? Huh, baby boy? Where's the ball? Where's it go? Where's the ball? Oh, right there? Right there? Right there? Oh, honey, right there? Right here? Baby. You probably get it? Huh? You get it? Oh, here it goes. Oh, honey. Where you going? Oh, come here. He loves going in them woods. Don't you, baby? Where you going? The puppet throw? Huh? We went for a 3-hour walk earlier. I don't know if Rex slept right or not. I had to go to the store, pick up a few things. I was gone about an hour, and he was up when I got back, so I don't know if he slept. This dog has more energy than I don't know what. Oh, there's that other ball. Oh, there it is. That the other ball? Oh, we found the other ball. Yeah, honey. Every time I try to pick something up, he always grabs it from me, you little shit. Oh, baby. You gonna pop a throw it? I don't know where Yellow went. Yellow's buried in the snow now. Yellow ball. Yellow buried now. Huh? Yellow buried? Huh, Poopy? Huh, baby? Huh? We gotta start going to other places and making videos. I keep making videos in the same place. I know, it's boring, isn't it? Not much excitement on my channel yet. But we're getting there. We're working on her. We're slowly going to build. Oh, puppy. What do you got? Hey, you get the ball from Papa. Poopy. Oh, the sticks you got. Oh, honey. You're not going to put the ball and throw it? Huh? Look at that portrait on his ear. Listen. Listen, what was that? I heard something crunching in the snow. What the hell was that? I could have swore I heard something crunch. Like somebody walking. Got the ball. Got the ball. Ready? Ready? I don't know if we're going to find it, but we're going to throw her. We got her. Come on. Come on. Good boys. Good boys. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going, silly? Oh, honey. Oh, here he goes. He pounces. Honey pounces. Oh, honey. Oh, yes, right? Let's go here. Right? Let's get right. Let's get. Oh, there you go. There you go. Come on, babies. Good boy. Come on. Hey, good boy. Good boy. That's good boy. What do you want to do? Huh? You alright? Alright. Well, we're going to end this one. We might be back later. If not, we'll catch you on the other side. See you.